Friends, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a simple logo like this. Just like the logo that I use in my YouTube channel. Anyone can do this using Adobe Photoshop CS6 or any other version of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's do this! Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you. Alright, so we are now in the workspace of Adobe Photoshop CS6, my dear friends. Yes, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6. And this time, we're just simply going to make a logo, a simple logo. Okay? And first, let's open a new document, Control N. There you go. Then let's choose pixels and let's just choose then 1000 by 1000 pixels. Alright, resolution 300. Then let's rename this one to sample logo. Hit OK and wait for it. So this is our main background, my dear friends. Alright, and the next thing that we will do here is of course to insert a shape. This time we are just simply going to use the ellipse tool or the circular tool. Alright, but if you also want to choose or pick different options in terms of shapes here in Adobe Photoshop, you can actually do this one. Alright, so we have here different shapes, my dear friends. Left click, right click on this one. Then we have rectangle tool, rounded, ellipse, polygon, line tool, and more. If you want to choose more options, then just click on custom shape tool. Then there you go. We have here, just click this drop down menu. Then we have different options. Alright, that will already depend according to your desire. But this time, simply, we're just going to make a simple logo. Alright, and I'm going to choose the ellipse tool. There you go, we have the ellipse tool. Shift and drag left click. There you go. Okay, Control T, that means transform. Then align this one, drag this one down again, drag this one again. Alright, and align it. Enter. There you go. This is our simple logo. If you want to customize this one, right click on your shape, then proceed to blending options. Then in here, we may customize the outline of our shape. Alright, and of course, there are so many things that you can do here, such as bevel and contour to make our shape even more appealing. This time, we're just simply going to add stroke. Alright, that means outline. Click on stroke, click on this one, and we have to choose options here. This time, I'm going to use yellow as my outline or stroke. Then hit OK, and then we're going to use 10. There you go. So that's our stroke. Again, simply proceed to blending options. Okay, the next thing that we will do here is of course to add text. How can we add text here? We have this letter T sign here. This means text. Alright, click on this one, then let's type in the text that we want to type. For example, in this part. Okay, I'm going to type in Teacher Kevin. No, just teacher. Alright, click on this one, then Control T to transform this one, drag or align it, resize if you want. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to align it this way. That's my first text. Right, the next, let's insert another text. You may insert a new text here, or you may also duplicate this one. Right click, duplicate. Okay, now this is the duplicate of our first text. Select the copy, Control T, then there you go. Just drag it. Alright, the next, if you want to change the text for this one, just click on this T, double click. There you go. I'm going to choose change it to Kevin PH. There you go. Control T, and then resize it again. There you go. Right. T. Alright, there you go. If you want to customize the text, my dear friends, actually you can also add emboss, same as through with stroke in editing your text. Alright, how to do it? For example, if you want to change the font style, the font size of this text, teacher, make sure that you will just then select it. Teacher, then proceed to character. Then you may choose different options here, such as color, okay? And the font style. I'm going to choose this one. There you go. Control T. I'm just going to make it bigger. Control. There you go. And align it this way. Wait. Let me just then choose another color for this one. Go to layers. Make sure that this one is selected. Characters. Then proceed to colors to change the font color. I'm going to choose white. There you go. Alright. After this one, my dear friends, you may also customize it again, just like what we did earlier in your shape. Alright, just select the text that you want to customize. For example, this one, Kevin PH. Right click, then proceed to blending options. We may also add an emboss or contour in our text. Okay, I'm going to add a little emboss and contour. There you go. Okay, now again, my dear friends, you may also add different images here, such as signs and more, depending on your desire. But we'll just leave it this way, okay? Because this is just a simple tutorial of how to make a simple logo. Alright, then after this one, we're ready to save it. Next thing, we'll just then remove the background, okay? Because if we're going to save it, save this one as an image, it might include the white background, and it's not so good to see. I just want to see the circular logo with the text. Alright, so let's remove the background. We have here eraser tool. Right click on this one and we have three options: eraser tool, background, and magic eraser tool. This time we're going to use magic eraser tool since we only we have a plain background here, and it would be easier for us to remove it. Actually, it will just then be in a click or one click. I'm going to use magic eraser tool. Then make sure that you will select the background, of course. Select and then click. No more background. Next step, let's save this one. Go to file, save as, and then let's save this one as PNG. So format, choose PNG. There you go. Click. Then let's save it in desktop. Save. Okay. Let's see if what happens to that one. There you go. We have the sample logo. Let me copy this one in PowerPoint, and let's see if does it still have a background or no more. I'm going to choose this one. And let's paste that logo that we've just copied. Let me remove this one first. Mess through with this one. Delete. Control V. There you go. This is already our simple logo, and you can now use it for your videos or any other purpose. That's it. This is simply how to make a simple logo using Adobe Photoshop CS6 or any other version of Adobe Photoshop. Hope you've learned something, and friends, see you next time.